Is your Windows 11 PC lagging or running slow, even on a brand new laptop? You are not alone. Many users are facing this frustrating issue. But don't worry. Today I will show you step by step how to fix it and boost your PC's performance instantly. By the end of this video, you will feel the difference. So let's get started. So first, right click on the taskbar. Then click Task Manager. Now go to the Performance tab. Check if your CPU, memory and disk usage is abnormally high. If yes, we will fix that in the upcoming steps. If no and it's still lagging, proceed to the next fix. Press Windows plus R. Type msconfig. Then hit enter. Now go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable all. Now go to the Startup tab. Now click on Open Task Manager. Now disable all third-party startup apps like CCleaner, mobile devices, Power Automatic Desktop, etc. Now apply changes. Then restart your PC. If your PC runs better after reboot, it means a third-party apps was slowing it down. This stops unnecessary programs from running in the background, resulting faster boot time and less lag. Press Windows plus I to go to Settings. Then Privacy and Security. Then go to Windows Security. Click on Device Security. After that, click on Core Isolation Details. Now turn off Memory Integrity. It's a security feature, but eats up system resources. Disabling it boosts performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. In Privacy and Security, go to Diagnostics and Feedback. Now turn off everything you don't use. Here also you can delete your diagnostic data. Then under App Permissions, disable the ones you don't need. This reduces background tracking and unnecessary system load, giving your PC more free memory and speed. Under Settings, go to System. Then go to Notifications. Now turn it off. After that, go to Storage. Then go to Storage Sense. Now turn it off too. Storage Sense uses background resources. Instead, clean manually, click Temporary Files. Then select and delete unwanted files. Click Continue. Less interruptions and no background disk analysis equals faster response time. Under Settings, go to Personalization. Then go to Colors. Now turn off transparency effects. This improves responsiveness on low or mid-end systems, clears junk that slows down your PC, frees up disk space and improves system speed. Now click on Apps. After that, go to Installed Apps. Remove apps like Copilot, Feedback Hub, Microsoft Bing, Quick Assist, etc. These apps eat memory and run in the background even if you don't use them. Bloatware runs in the background and consumes resources. Removing them frees up RAM, CPU and storage. Again go to apps. Then go to startup. Now disable all third-party apps that auto-launch with Windows. This prevents lag during boot time. Press Windows plus R. Type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Now choose Adjust for best performance. Then re-enable Show thumbnail instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts, and animate windows when minimizing or maximizing. Now click Apply for changes. Then click OK. Disable heavy animations gives your system a performance boost without sacrificing usability. In Windows search, type Turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. Find Hyper-V and uncheck it. Click OK and then restart if prompted. Hyper-V eats up memory even if you don't use it. Disabling Hyper-V frees up CPU and memory resources instantly. Press Windows plus R. Then type temp and hit enter. Click continue. Now here delete all files. Click yes. Again press Windows plus R. Now type %temp% and hit enter. Now delete all files. These folders store temporary junk that slows down your system. Open Services. Disable services you don't like background intelligent transfer, BitLocker if unused, Bluetooth if unused, connected user experience and telemetry, etc. Be careful, only disable what you don't need. These services constantly run in the background. Disabling them reduces lag and CPU usage. In many cases, it's not your RAM or CPU causing the lag. It's hidden viruses and malware silently running in the background. And this can slow down your PC, cause programs to freeze and even steal your data without you realizing it. That's why it's absolutely essential to keep your system malware free. And if you are wondering how to do that, don't worry. I have already created 2 powerful videos showing step by step how to detect and remove every kind of virus and malware from your PC. Always remember, a virus-free PC is not just faster, it's safer. After applying all these steps, your Windows 11 PC should feel much faster and smoother. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching.